no points for not knowing him.
उनका चमत्कार तो सभी जानते
Now, 5 years later, today, we are in a different place.
Yeah.
The stories find us.
The moment you walk in, you'll feel like you have stepped onto a movie set. Or
Will there be a kiss cam there?
So I'm a filmmaker by choice. I was accidental engineer.
आप कैसी है?
मैं बहुत सुंदर हूँ.
Every second person in today's age is going through some sort of stress.
So in short, it's a full to masti.
मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली.
शान की शान यही है.
कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता.
So think of this sort of entertainment as diet for your mind.
Yeah.
Your mental diet.
Welcome all to a very special edition of Off the Cuff, and today we'll be talking about a starry night, a random drift starry night, a Bollywood affair. और ये अफेयर वो कोल्ड प्ले वाला अफेयर वाला बिल्कुल नहीं है. Yeah, thank God. But this will have a lot of fun aspects of Bollywood, I have to say. It will have glitz and glamour, music and much more. So we will know about the Starry Night, from these wonderful and beautiful and talented people here with me in the studios of Bolly 92.3 FM right here in San Jose. I do have Anil Gaur, Madhu Gaur, Shalini Datta and Shail Rathore here with me. Rathore, sunke Shail mein I feel very connected because my maiden, surname was Rathore.
Oh, wow.
Namrata Rathore, yeah. So I'll start with you, Anil. Anil, I've seen your journey in Random Drifts. Very impressive, wonderful work. So why the shift to an event?
Sure. So we founded this platform, Random Drifts, about 5 years ago.
Yes.
It's a community-driven platform.
Okay.
And it's been growing very rapidly. When we started, we had to, find people to act in our films, look for stories. Now, 5 years later, today, we are in a different place.
Yeah.
The stories find us.
Okay.
And we are so blessed to have people who have trusted this platform with their talent. So all they need is an opportunity to showcase their talent, channel their energy. And while we have executed on so many projects, and we have touched over 500 lives in the 5 years.
Wow.
But there's still a lot more to be done. In order for us to do that, we need to scale up. We need more resources, we need more funds. So earlier this year, we turned Random Drifts into a non-profit. Because it's a community-driven, it just made sense, right? We do everything for the community. So this is the time where we need community to help us help them even more. So with this event, with the funds we raise, we'll be able to take on more projects, give more opportunities to people. So that's the idea.
Okay. Wonderful, and all the best to you.
Oh, thank
I
you.
know this will be a wonderful success, and so many people, are aspiring to be, what they really want, and you're giving a platform to so many actors, writers, singers, music composers. So it's just amazing, and I hope a lot of people come and join this fundraiser. But to share now, I just said that it's going to be a very glamorous affair.
Yep.
So how glamorous are we talking about, and how exciting? Because it's. Would you like to cover the music and entertainment part of it?
Sure.
Yes.
So it's going to be a super glamorous night. So think of a red carpet, flashy lights, and complete
okay.
Bollywood vibes. So the moment you walk in, you'll feel like you have stepped onto a movie set or something like Bollywood
okay.
feeling. And in terms of performances, I think we have a super energetic dance performances, amazing live singing, live skit, which is being planned as we speak.
Okay.
And we also have a stand-up comedy. So, so these are all the performances to keep our guests, glued to their chairs. And,
The keyword I would say is like immersive experience.
Yeah.
The moment you walk in,
Yeah.
so this is not a show, this is not a typical fundraiser, I would say it's a fundraiser with D silent. So it's all about the immersive
Oh.
experience,
Fun.
how do you feel?
Fun.
And that includes the
Fundraisers.
food part also.
So Anand, I have another question for you. You know, when people think of fundraisers, they think of other social causes. So fundraiser, for entertainment is a little unique. So why? And
Yeah, it does sound weird. So
Yeah,
good
it
question.
does.
And I see this coming across like multiple times.
yes,
But if you think of it, every second person in today's age is going through some sort of stress.
yes.
Out of those, 75% say that stress is impacting their health.
Definitely.
So it's such a big issue, and at least partially it's because people don't have the opportunity to pursue their passion, channel their energy. That could be a natural stress buster.
Very
So entertainment comes in very handy. So think of it like so many people talk about healthy diet, right? Protein, vitamin, this,
Yes.
that, right? So think of this sort of entertainment as diet for your mind,
Yeah.
your mental diet. You need it to stay healthy. People who have the opportunity to pursue their passion, they're happier at work. Their livelihood at home is also, they're more effective, more productive, and when they're more productive, they're doing better. They are in a place to contribute more towards all other causes also. So while it's an indirect cause, but I mean, when you think of it, it makes a lot of sense. So that's where we come in.
Absolutely, I understand and I second that, because we are living in this stressful world of Silicon Valley. So, if there is an outlet of pursuing what you think is, good for your soul, might as well do that. And Random Drifts is providing that opportunity.
Yeah, and it's in a way like my own story, right? It was my way of discovering my true personality. I wanted to be a filmmaker, right? So I'm a filmmaker by choice. I was accidental engineer. I did fine, right? But I became an engineer.
Yeah.
And once I figured, I found a path to get there. Not everybody out there has the luxury of leaving their job, and that's where we come in. We provide everything, infrastructure, the tools, support they need, so they can have their 9 to 5 job, and weekends, evenings, they can pursue their passion.
Absolutely. And you talked about the singers. I know you sing very well. You're pretty known. You're giving autographs already, I hear.
Yes.
And I did see in the lineup there was Gitesh Iyer also and Shayanti.
Yes.
Both wonderful singers.
Yes.
Once again, I've heard them. So, भाई आप भी यहाँ हैं, हम सब भी मौजूद हैं, थोड़ी सी महफिल जमी हुई है, तो आप कुछ सुना दें हमारे listeners को.
Yes.
बिल्कुल.
I'm missing my fellow singers, but I think we can all sing together. So.
आप शुरू कीजिए.
आप आगाज करो.
कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी न किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, तू हम सफर है फिर क्या फिक्र है, जीने की वजह यही है मरना इसी के लिए, कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी न किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए.
वाह, क्या बात है.
Amazing.
बहुत खूब मजा आ गया.
Thank you so much.
अब शालिनी जी, आप कैसी हैं?
मैं बहुत सुंदर हूँ.
क्या बात है, हमको नहीं पता था वैसे. फिर आपने बता दी तो आप पता चला. Anyway, आप बताइए ये बाका क्या है? ये बाका क्या? What is the BSCA Awards?
Well, I am, thrilled that you asked that.
Okay.
I think we all have grown up watching Filmfare Awards, IFA Awards, और जब हम टीवी से देखते होते थे तो हम सारे सोचते होते थे कि काश मैं वहाँ बैठा होता या मैं वहाँ बैठी होती. So I think जब हम Starry Night की बात कर रहे थे, तो obviously we wanted to talk about the awards also.
Absolutely.
Because there is so much of talent here in Bay Area that Anil, we as a team, we decided that we should acknowledge and we should actually encourage more talent like that. So hence comes Bollywood America Cine Awards.
Okay.
So that's how we came to know ki okay, Baka is something that can be part of Random Drifts and Random Drifts fundraiser.
Definitely.
And if I can add something.
Yeah,
sure.
And it ties very well into our vision. Our vision is to bring Bollywood experience to Bay Area talent.
Yes.
Yeah.
And with that comes our responsibility to recognize. It's not just giving them the opportunity,
Yes.
but recognize the top.
Yes.
So it has to be part of that process.
Yes. Absolutely.
That's important. And the thing is that, people are doing it out of passion, out of, their intent to bring something out to the Bay Area audience and involve the community. And that's what I've seen Random Drifts doing. And there's so many indie filmmakers here
Yes.
Yeah.
who would like to be acknowledged. Also,
For
because,
sure.
people don't get to see their work.
Yeah.
या तो वो festivals में चली जाती है या, they're struggling. So
Yeah.
this is such a wonderful way of acknowledging people, and their work. And
And I just wanted to add there also ki it's not only ki we are just presenting them the awards. We actually want people to even know that it's not any random event that they are getting awards at. So we, as a team, I would like to announce that we have a guest of honor. No points for not knowing him. He is our very own Chatur, Omi Vedya,
Yay.
from Idiot and The Office. Yes,
उनका चमत्कार तो सभी जगह
exactly.
लेकिन मैंने तो सही वर्ड यूज किया
I know. और उनकी एक टैगलाइन है कि तोहफा कबूल करो.
And there's so much interest in this. So as a filmmaker, I understand very well, right? Like how important it is for me to bring my work in front of the audience.
Yes.
Get the recognition it
Yes.
needs.
Yeah.
So feel free to submit. It will be a great platform to showcase your work and get the recognition you deserve.
Yeah.
And I think entries have already started coming.
Started,
yes,
so
yes.
randomdrifts.org, right?
Yeah, that's
Yes.
the site. So
That's
if you
the
go,
site you have to go.
yeah, randomdrifts.org/RD-events, RD events, then
Yeah.
you'll get to
There.
the events page.
Okay. So now coming to you, Madhu, you've been such a pillar, along with Anil, I have to say, always by his side, supporting and doing so much. So besides all this that's going on, what more can people expect?
It's a glamorous night.
Yes.
Unforgettable live event, right? I would say it's like Anil said, it's an immersive experience that everyone will feel about.
Yes.
So in short, it's a full to masti.
Yeah.
Your feet will be tired, but your soul will not be.
Oh,
Yes.
So
Okay.
it's basically like how that experience is going to be.
Yeah.
And besides, the all the live events, the skit, the dancing, the comedy, singing, everything that is there. There's also finger licking food.
Yay.
The widespread of the food that you will see in this event, along with the nice wine, drinks that is there. So I will say it will be a full entertainment. That's
Yeah.
everyone will
So
expect.
definitely I see it's going to be a very elegant and entertaining night. So guys, be there, Random Drift Starry Night. But कहाँ हो रहा है, कैसे टिकट ले सकते हैं, all about that.
You just need to go to randomdrifts.org
Hmm.
and there's an event tab. You click on that event tab. Everything is listed there.
Okay.
So the ticket, and there's an early bird discount that you should not miss. So the early bird discount on the individual tickets, early bird discount on the group. You would like to sit with your friends, right?
Yeah.
And with your family and friends. So the tickets and the tables are really filling fast.
Yeah.
So what are you waiting for?
Yeah.
Go to the randomdrifts.org,
Yeah.
go to events tab and click on to buy the tickets over there.
Can I mention here something?
Yes.
So as we are, Anil was saying that we are 501c3 company, and we really, really hope and expect that you guys would be there. Apart from that, if you want to be a sponsor for our event, even if it whatever capacity, we would really like you to be there, and we will definitely acknowledge also if you are being a sponsor. We will acknowledge that as well. So if anybody out there who's listening or who's watching, if you are interested, you can reach out to Anil or you can reach out to any of us. We would love to have you as a sponsor.
Absolutely. And definitely if you want to support Random Drifts, I have to say, do come, because it's the first time they're holding this event.
Yes.
And if you know Anil Gaur and the team, I'm sure you'll be there, because I've seen the intent that he brings to the entire Random Drifts organization, I'll say. So this Starry Night is happening September 19th. Time 6 p.m. Venue ICC Milpitas.
Yes.
Tickets, like Madhu said, randomdrifts.org, and you have all the information there,
Yeah.
and you can follow.
Yes.
So come and hold, I'll say, and support this event. And देखिए, हम बॉलीवुड की बात कर रहे हैं, ग्लैमर की बात कर रहे हैं, तो मेरे पास थोड़े से रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चंस हैं. मैं कहा थोड़ा सा ये उसमें कोई हैम्पर नहीं. शालिनी तो ऐसे तैयार होगी कि पता नहीं यहाँ पर बजट कम है, तो हैम्पर नहीं है, सिर्फ हंसी और खुशी.
मैं पिलो ले जाऊंगी.
ठीक है.
बॉलीवुड 92.3. I'm gonna take this pillow.
ये भी बॉली का ही है. Okay. So I'm hoping हंसी खुशी and some witty answers.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yes. Okay.
So maybe two people can answer one question. So best film coming out of Bollywood in the past year or two. So Shalini and Shail can answer.
Best film for you.
The last year or two.
Hmm.
I would say Lapata Ladies.
Okay.
Wow.
Mine too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
I love that.
I'll second that. I'll
so
second that.
both are.
Yes.
I completely.
I
That would
agree
be my-
on that one. Yeah.
Mine
The
too.
must.
Mine too. Hands down.
Easy
Yes,
watch,
Absolutely.
great story.
Yeah.
Best song, album or song itself in recent times?
अरे अभी है ना एक लास वेगस में शूट किया है.
बता दीजिए.
रास्ते चलने लगे.
ये हीरो भी बैठे हैं यहाँ. हाँ, क्या नाम
No,
है?
that is my favorite. I'm not
Yeah,
saying-
sure.
Yeah.
I am not biased.
Yeah.
अच्छा.
It's
You
a
want to
song
hum
by-
2 lines of that?
It's a song by Shan. So
कोई बात नहीं. आप भी.
इस शान की शान यही है.
I know. वो बैकग्राउंड शांति, ये ऑन कैमरा
3
शांति.
words तो शान के ऐसे चाहिए तो है. करिए.
On street Sean.
Oh, yeah, दो लाइन.
नहीं, 2 लाइन.
तेरे मिलने से रास्ते चलने लगे, ख्वाब आंखों में प्यार के पलने लगे, साया भी वक्त का चलने लगा, किसे नए जिंदगी के बने.
लवली. लेकिन बैठे बैठे कितने आराम से आप गा रहे हैं. मार्क ऑफ अ ग्रेट सिंगर, यू नो. तो अच्छी चीजें तो मैंने पूछ ली हैं. वन मूवी यू कुड सिट थ्रू.
Oh. In the recent times.
ओल्ड. चलो मैं.
Actually, I'm a kind of a person who will watch any and every movie, no
Yeah.
matter what. But
Wow.
one movie
हाँ.
that I just could not bear to watch was Ramgarh ke Sholay.
ओह,
yeah.
वो तो मैंने. वो मूवी.
अच्छा वो मूवी भी है.
मतलब रामगोपाल वर्मा ने बनाई. मतलब I don't know what was he on when he actually even thought of the idea to make Amitabh Bachchan as Gabbar, and then
चल ठीक है, ये रैपिड फायर है. And one actor or actress who needs to improve or find another career.
oh, there are many.
बाप रे, मैं तो आप बताइए.
इस रूम में कोई नहीं.
Okay.
Right, yeah.
So talking about the Nepo kids, the best Nepo kids these days.
Yeah.
I would say Alia Bhatt, hands down.
Yeah.
Both
Yeah, I love
Ranveer
it.
and Alia. And
Yes.
now I'm very impressed with Ahan Pandey. So one actor or actress you feel most akin to or close to personality wise and looks wise. अभी
Do I need to answer that?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ.
तो करीना कपूर ही है.
Exactly.
Which is very important.
आज आलिया बन के आई.
हाँ, आलिया बनना.
We all
my all-time favorite.
मधुबाला.
मधुबाला.
Yes.
Amazing.
Yes.
हाँ अनिल जी.
अमिताभ बच्चन.
वाह.
Yes.
हाँ, वो
Something
तो
that
मैंने
hasn't
आपका
changed.
देखा है.
Yes.
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 So wonderful. Yeah. ओके अब ये थोड़ा सा फनी है, इसमें एक्टिंग की भी गुंजाइश द मोस्ट घटिया डायलॉग्स फ्रॉम बॉली दैट्स स्टे विद यू फॉरएवर जैसे होते थे ना, एंड यू हैव टू से इट विद एक्सप्रेशन नाउ. तो ये दोनों एक्टर हैं बीच में.
That is वो अपना क्या क्या क्या.
मेरे करण अर्जुन
आ
जाएंगे.
ओह या दैट इज देयर. बट वो वाले भी है ना, जैसे
मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली. मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली.
मैं फर्स्ट क्लास फर्स्ट आया हूँ. ये फर्स्ट क्लास फर्स्ट क्या? एवरी हीरो वाज फर्स्ट
I
क्लास
know.
फर्स्ट, you know.
Oh
So
my
those were the.
I know.
So this was very interesting, I have to say. Now, again, one thing about random drifts, one thing that people don't know about random drifts that you'd like to say.
So people think of Random Drifts as like, you know, a platform where, you know, they can come join, act, make film, or, you know, write, provide their story. What they may not know, we help many other NGOs
Very.
create their story, promos, help tell their stories. So they can be more effective in bringing their message out to the audience and raise funds. So over the years, we have helped like, you know, over 10 other NGOs, you know, tell their stories.
Yeah. And they are huge on, you know, YouTube also. You've got millions of hits on your,
Yeah.
you know,
We have a
wonderful
good viewership.
song. Yeah.
Yeah, one thing I want to add with Random Drift platform, and maybe it's with other platform as well, but you know, it's a stress buster too.
Yes.
For me, I mean, you know, when I am done with my office work and I look forward for, like, you know, our Random Drift meetings and meeting with the people, and like Anil said, he touched 500 people. So see, our family has grown so much, and
Yeah,
like it's like good to see so many people around, meeting with them.
Yeah.
So it's like emotions, like, you know, and you know, the relief that you get from your day-to-day work life.
Yeah.
Can I share one secret?
Yes.
I think it's her secret.
My secret.
Okay.
We should ask you her.
She's a great, you know, companion. And
Yes.
when we started the platform, she supported me in pretty much everything from day one. But she was clear, like, I don't enjoy doing this. I'm doing it for you.
Oh.
Okay. But somewhere the transition happened where
Yeah.
she said, like, now I have started enjoying it. I
Yeah.
started liking it.
Yeah.
So that to me means a lot. You know,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
she's supporting, you know, no matter what, it's unconditional, but somebody started liking it, tells me something, we must be
Yeah.
doing something right.
Yeah.
No, absolutely. It means a lot when you know, your partner says, okay, now it's not I'm doing it for you, but now she's
I'm
also,
doing for myself,
That's a
yeah.
huge thing I have
And
to say.
I would like to add something, and I'm pretty sure Shell will resonate with me also, because I think it's been few months since we have joined Random Drifts as actors as well as you know, creative directors. Right from the day one, I felt so much at ease. Like, you know, I felt ki with Anil, I can really express myself in terms of whether it's anything over acting or whether it's like, you know, something just in general. Not too many people can, you know, accept it, especially when you are at that level, like you're a director, you are a producer, you're doing a movie. And I have worked in India, so I know that, you know, all those guys, they do have a chip on their shoulder. But with Anil, I can tell, Anil, I think we should do this way. And he's like, okay, I think you're right, let's do it this way. So it has become so much easy for us as an actors, and even for the first comers. It's like, you know, you want to be in front of the camera, but you're so scared. But I think with all the table reads what we have done, with all the delicious food what Madhu has fed us, we were like, okay, you know, this is home, and we want to make more movies, we want to work together more.
So lovely, so lovely. And I've heard these, what you've said from other people also, because there's a draw to Random Drifts because it feels like home. It feels.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm
Yep.
sure Sharon, you must.
Yeah,
have
just to
noticed
add to Shalini's point, like Miss Matchmaker was the first movie
Yes.
actually. I never acted before that, so this was my first experience,
Oh,
and
okay.
being in front of camera, it always gives you that goosebump. But Anil ji and entire Random Drift team, they made it so easy. It was like you said, it felt like home.
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
absolutely. So, wishing you all the very best. So, here it is, listeners: shimmering outfits, red carpet paparazzi moments, electrifying performances, soulful music, high energy dances, and a night of laughter, glam, and giving. So, be there at the Starry Night Random Drifts by Random Drifts on September 19th at ICC Milpitas. And one of the most profound questions that I need to end with is, will there be a kiss cam there?
आप किस करने के लिए तैयार रहिए
कैमरा तो नहीं है
कैमरा लेके आइए, आप चिंता नहीं करिए
और एक भी नहीं, हमको 3-4 एंगल के कैमरे लेके आएंगे।
और उसमें वो वाला भी करेंगे क्या क्या
will be a good one there.
I know.
So all I'll say, because ये बॉली का इवेंट है कि बोले तो आने का है सबको. So be there, all of you. Thank you all. It was a pleasure meeting all of you. Shalini, Sharon,
Thank you for having
Manu,
us.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely,
Always.
thank you.
I hope you enjoyed this conversations and just go to randomdrifts.org and be there.
and we look forward to seeing all of you.
All of you
there.
I promise this is an event very unique in itself, the whole experience. I've been to so many fundraisers and other events, but nothing, is packaged like an experience that you would see here.
Absolutely. We'll see you at
Random
Random
Drifts
Starry Nights!